Hi, I'm Alair with Alair Homes Delta. Today we're at a 3,200 square foot renovation we did in Tsawwassen, BC. We did this project in partnership with Bureau 47 Architecture. They wanted to add some curb appeal to the home, so they added an eyebrow above the garage door, a buttress for some texture, and a parapet wall and some smoke glazing to create privacy for the deck. A few more details about the front of the home. We added some architectural concrete to the front of the house, where some careful thought was put into the number of steps and the elevations so we could avoid railings and keep the modern aesthetic. There was an addition component to the home. We added a couple feet to create a grander front entry and a longer staircase. In terms of landscaping, our clients wanted to keep it pretty simple and low maintenance. We refinished the whole front of this house. Added some charcoal thin brick, repainted the cedar siding, and new cedar soffit with a warmer tone. The original front entry of the house ended right here. We added about 3 to 4 feet to add more of a grand entry, a little more space. A fun fact about this house is the client's son made this handrail and a few other elements throughout. So this is the living room. An existing vaulted ceiling gave us the room to create this fireplace. A large format tile, extra height. Another cool detail done by their son, some custom black metal trim around the fireplace. As you can tell, there's a pretty modern aesthetic to this house. It's becoming increasingly popular. Here we are in the dining room. There's a nice vaulted ceiling which really highlights this linear light fixture. What I like about these doors is they create the same look and feel as accordion doors, but at a fraction of the cost. To accommodate the design for this kitchen, we had to move this wall about 2 feet. It used to be in alignment with this beam, so structural modifications were needed to make this happen. This kitchen's a lot bigger and brighter than it used to be. Of course, the main feature is this huge island with white quartz countertop with a waterfall edge. This kitchen has an amazing appliance package. We've got 2 Wolf wall ovens and a Viking warming drawer. We have a panel-ready dishwasher, Miele, sill granite charcoal undermount sink, a Wolf induction cooktop, a full panel of white quartz for the backsplash, and the cabinets are rift-cut oak with white and black accents. The flooring's a 2x2 porcelain tile that runs through the kitchen and dining room. They chose this to create a darker contrast to the white aesthetic throughout the house. This just used to be a wall, and we added this sliding door to let in a lot more natural light. The primary bedroom. We brightened it up here with a brand new door and a full height window, changed the layout to add some more closet space and a brand new ensuite. There's a lot of continuity in the design of this house. There's the same quartz, rift-cut oak, and porcelain tile in the ensuite as we saw in the kitchen. This home has an amazing south and west facing deck. We changed the railings to aluminum and glass and changed the deck surface to modernize the space. So great for entertaining. And downstairs we have a nice entertaining space. This is a great place to hang out. There's also 2 large bedrooms for the kids, another bathroom with a large double vanity, and a bright home gym. We're seeing a lot more of these. And check this out, even the dogs have their own shower. This project took about 5 months to complete, and the clients are super happy with it, and so are we. I hope you enjoyed this Alair home tour. Please like and subscribe below.